In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Code in IntelliJ. We will use the Claude Code plugin, which pairs with the Claude command line tool to give you a dedicated side panel and clear visual diff viewers, so you can review and apply AI proposed code changes with confidence. This setup keeps your coding flow intact. You ask for help. See proposed edits side by side and apply only the parts you want. First, set up the Claude CLI. Open your terminal and install it by typing npm install-g at Anthropic AI/Claude Code. This performs a global install, so the tool is available from any project. When that finishes, run the command Claude in your terminal to authenticate and sign in. This step links the CLI to your account, so IntelliJ can talk to Claude through the plugin. A browser window may open to complete sign-in. Return to the terminal when it confirms you are authenticated. Just follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be ready to go. Next, add the plugin inside your IDE. Launch IntelliJ IDEA and open Settings or Preferences on a Mac. Choose Plugins, then go to the Marketplace tab. Search for Claude Code Chat, click Install, and let IntelliJ download everything it needs. When it's done, restart IntelliJ IDEA to complete the setup. The restart is important because it loads the new plugin properly and activates the integration. After IntelliJ restarts, activate the features. Look for the spark icon to open the Claude side panel, or use the shortcut CMD+Shift+I on Mac, or Ctrl+Shift+I on Windows and Linux. This panel is your workspace for chatting with Claude about your code, sending tasks, and reviewing results. When Claude suggests edits, the visual diff viewer will highlight exactly what's changing, so you can accept, reject, or tweak updates with full context. Nothing is committed until you confirm, which makes experimentation safe. You can also access Claude right where you are working. In the Editor or Project Tool window, right-click any file or select a block of code. Choose Explain with Claude to get a clear plain language walkthrough of what the code is doing. Pick Refactor with Claude when you want suggestions for cleaner structure, naming, or performance, previewed as diffs before anything is applied. And select Generate Tests to scaffold tests tailored to the code you selected, giving you a fast starting point you can refine. For best results, be specific in your prompts, mention frameworks or constraints that matter, and review diffs before committing changes. With the CLI connected and the plugin installed, you now have an AI pair programmer inside IntelliJ IDEA that fits naturally into your workflow. Thanks for watching.